I see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone. Can we leave for tonight? Run away. Let's run away, run, run, run away. Can we get out of sight? Fly away. Let's run away, run, run, run away. Let's run away, run, run, run away, run, run, run away, run, run, run away. Let's run away, run, run, run away, run, run, run away, run, run, run away. Let's run away, run, run, run away, run, run, run away, run, run, run away. I see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone. Can we leave for tonight? Run away. Let's run away, run, run, run away. Can we get out of sight? Fly away. Let's run away, run, run, run away. Let's run away. Let's run away, run, run, run away. Let's run away, run, run, run away, run, run, run away, run, run, run away. Let's run away, run, run, run away, run, run, run away, run, run, run away. Let's run away, run, run, run away. I see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone. Can we leave for tonight? Run away. Let's run away, run, run, run away. Can we get out of
Hey guys, it is Arithmetic. Welcome back to the stream. I've had a crazy week. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was a total Evan laugh. Not that you know who Evan is, but oh man. But hey, how's it going? Today I wanted to do a Roblox coding stream. I announced on my Discord server that there's a project that I wanted to continue that I've been coding in Roblox since about, I think, 2020 or maybe even 2019. I took a huge break from it, but I've been returning to code it again because I think it's really cool. I don't know, I think programming is just a really cool thing to stream, and there's a lot of like interesting learning involved, and I think like a lot of people misinterpret like coding and programming like it's the super hard thing, but really it all just makes sense, you know. Yeah, I want an iPad. Like, it was insane. I won an iPad this week. You guys ever just like in a raffle and you're just like, ah, whatever, you know, I'll participate. It's not like I expect to win or anything. And I'm like, but I actually freaking won one for once. I don't win anything. There's always been like the participation trophies you'd get, like, you know, when you'd play like sports growing up, you know. But but this is like, oh, I actually won this with little effort. In fact, minimal effort, because like when the raffle was going on, I was at this. See, it was like this luau event. It was like this lunch event, and like I literally, the amount of effort that I put in was zero, even negative. Like it was, I just sat down and got food, and they're like, all right, we're doing this raffle. I like just got there. And then they called my, like, they read the number out, and I'm reading it along, and I'm just like, oh shoot, I like, and then I stand up, and I'm I'm like in complete disbelief the entire time, rereading the number just to triple check to make sure that it's correct, because I'm like, I don't want to take someone else's iPad. And I mean, like, it wasn't my iPad, so I still technically took someone else's iPad. And like, everyone I was sitting next to, they were all bribing me. They were all they were all acting really friendly all of a sudden, and I don't know why. They just kind of like, they just had a change in perspective of me, and I can't tell you why. I think they really decided to open up and want to pursue friendships, deeper friendships in that moment. And they were also like mentioning the potential transaction of an iPad for some reason. I don't know, but like, yeah. I actually think I'll use it. I wasn't thinking I'd use it before, but I think I might actually use it for model changing. It took me a long time to modify the color for this, and but I think it might be useful. Like, I don't like to do, I mean, I like to modify my model and all, but I also just want to focus on music, you know, and just like, I can be artistic in this way, but anytime I'm working on like my model, for instance, then I'm not working on music and getting better at that and releasing stuff. And and the way my brain works is like, you know, I can always improve my model, so there's, I feel like, always something to work on with it. But I mean, I'm more passionate about music. So yeah, maybe, I don't know, in the future maybe I might consider doing like, you know, having someone like commission doing like clothes and stuff, because there's no way I can make that kind of stuff from scratch. So I'm hoping maybe like if I do want to make like modifications, hopefully an iPad would at least like help me with design a little faster. But there's also the potential that the setup might just be like longer. Like, it's different from just like going onto Photoshop, just opening it and then you're straight up working on it. Like, Nah, I'd probably have to like also not only open up Vroid, I'd have to open up the iPad, connect it, and I don't know, we'll see. If it doesn't work out, I can do something else with it. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. This is gonna be scuffed for a moment. Hold on. Oh wait. Oh, it's not. Oh, I had the right overlay up. Let's go. Okay. So right now, you guys are all gonna be my rubber duckies, just so you know. This is rubber duck programming at its finest, because I'm just gonna be talking to nobody and solving problems like you're there. What you are. You're my rubber ducky, whether that's metaphorical or physical or literal or nonsensical. You're my rubber duckies. I have a latte. Yeah. And now it's gone. Now I'm sad. Okay, so right now, I'm trying to fix the menu of this game. So when I play it and when I spawn in, what I want is when I reset, I want to be able to go back to this menu, and it doesn't show up for some reason. That's because it's disabled. So I have to figure out how to re-enable it. Actually, there was a section over, I think, what was it? Deploy? GUI. What does this represent? How does that even represent the player's GUI? I don't get that. It just works, I guess. There's still so much that I'm figuring out. Oh my gosh. So why is this? Oh, it's a proper, like it's a uppercase GUI. It might be, no, wait, GUI.deploy. Maybe it passes it in somehow. Deploy. Let me see. Menu. This would be, oh, this, okay. Oh, maybe it represents the parent or something. I don't know. Menu. When I spawn in, is the script also in the GUI? So players, player GUI, menu. No, I don't think the. Oh wait, was that it? Menu operation. Okay, wait, yeah, I can just get its parents, so. Oh no, I can't. It's a player script. Dang it. How do I get the player? So I'm gonna have to bring out Google. Player script. Get player. No, not from a server script. So I'm trying to figure out how to reference this player GUI correctly because I'm not doing it. Is it just like, how does it know? This is only doing camera stuff, dang. You know what? Let me just take this stuff and let's not put it in here. How would I disable this? And let's put it in the menu operation. Oop, and then what if I said, do, 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 do. Warn about to chain, about to enable. GUI, I guess, and then can I print the player? That'll be sick. See if it works anyway. Ah, man. I did not see it. What the? That doesn't make sense. How many, I wonder how many like listeners that you can add to a remote. How many handlers you can add. What the heck? Is it print? Do I even print? Is that not right? Forget that stuff. Let's just ask it to print only. This is not working. Come on. Let's remove all this. Let's re-enable this. Menu controller and just see if we can get it to print. About to enable menu. It's got it, right? There it is. Okay. Okay, so then let me Google something and see. Player script get player GUI. How do you access the player GUI? How do I get the player's GUI? Can I print the player actually? Let me do that. Let me try that again. So print what's in the player. And I really think this represents their character, not their player. But I wonder if you can print their data. Oh no. Hold on. No. Steam, how could you? Okay, did it print? So it looks like nil. Can I say like player.name? Is it not possible to, maybe it's just not possible to print an object? Execs nil with name. Oh shoot, so it straight up knows it's nothing. Okay. Okay. So it thinks player is nothing. Why? Why does it think that? Maybe it never passes in the player because I never even used the player in the other implementations of this. Character added on client event. Let's see. On client event. Do people really do this? Okay. Instances are passed by reference through remotes. Okay, if the client sees an instance variable as nil, which is what I'm seeing, it means it doesn't exist yet on the client. Okay. The current internal instructions for character loading does not guarantee an existing character when character added fires. Oh, okay. What's weird? What? Whoa. Okay. What? What is it saying? Task.defer. Yeah, I think it's like... But this is on client event. This isn't... Where's this? Here's the on character added. Player. Oh man. So do these ones, do they have let's see. Menu camera. Can I print to the player here? Okay. No, it's so quirky. You just know how to deal with all this stuff. Oh, it didn't even run. Did it even run? What? I didn't even run. Okay, let's see. Maybe you can only have a listener. I think maybe you can only connect to one remote. Let's see. It also still said nil. Okay. So it doesn't like whatever player is. Seeing as I want this script to basically... Okay, let's not put it in the starter player scripts then. I think we should attach it to the GUI somehow. This is not working. For some reason, referring to the player is not working. So, let's go back to that. Let's re-enable it. And then let's go back to, what was it? Menu? No. My brain, come on, brain. Work. Where was I just looking? This. Get rid of this. Or just make it how it was before. Okay. So let's move this script somewhere like in the menu. Let's call it menu enabler. On respawn. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that woke me up. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's see. So what if we said this dot? So what if we said GUI? Doesn't know what GUI is though. How did this script know what GUI was? I just want to test that. GUI equals nil. And let's say GUI.enabled equals true. And then why not? Let's also see that. Let's test if we can see both. So menu camera. Let's turn this warning back on. Okay, camera code ran on respawn. Okay, I think okay, attempt to index nil with enabled. So I need to figure out how to get that to reference the the parent GUI, I guess. So let's say this dot get, I don't know, like this dot. Did we get the parent? Hit dot parents. Wait. Scripts dot parents. Let's try that. I didn't enable it though. Why? Dot menu dot menu. Enabled is not a valid member of frame. Hmm? Hmm? What? Menu dot menu. There's no menu dot menu. Oh, there's a menu dot menu. This is probably not a good way to program this. Dang. So it's just two parents up. Okay, that's fine. Okay, camera ran on respawn. Okay. Camera ran on respawn, about to enable menu, and it freaking worked. Okay, good. So now, now I've got to have it change to the other camera. So that's what I was gonna figure out next. Okay, I got it to work. Let's go. Although I don't remember. Hold on. Yeah, that wasn't there, so I need to re-disable that this GUI. How did we get it to do that? Let's see. So so this is still up. Doesn't need to be. So what enables that? Is that the menu operation? Is that when I hit deploy? So if I say deploy, Oh, maybe it's because it resets when you die. Wait, no. Let's see. No, it's not the deploy button. It's the... There's no deploy button, right? It's just, you just select the... Okay, you just select the, you just select the team. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so then... What does that mean? Oh, right. So... Deploy success. Oh, okay. Oh, I got it. Okay. So this is where the player camera stuff is. Okay. So it will enable, I think, the rest of the GUIs. Yeah, the terminal UI. Okay, how does it get the player though? That's awesome. I want to do that. Where does it get the player from? Oh, shoot. That's how I can do it. Hold on. Get service player, local player. Hold on. This might be more efficient. This might be way more efficient. Let's do this. It's a local script, so I can do that. Where was I? Deploy. Let's do it this way. Menu. Okay, maybe this works. And then I won't even have to put it in the GUI. But then also I can access the GUI another way. Will it still enable it? Let's see. Okay. GUI, come on. Come on. Yes. Okay, that's perfect. That's actually perfect. I can have so much control now. Okay. This is great. I actually don't even think I need to... I think I can literally... I don't even need to put this in the GUI anymore. I could put this in the starter player. Menu. Okay. That's okay. That's how. That's how. It's like, oh, okay, there's a local player like setting. Okay. Oh, it's been so long. So it should just work now, even if it's not in the GUI. Sweet. That's actually perfect. Okay. Code to enable player GUIs. Menu on respawn. Perfect. So now, I wonder what this did. A client character. Okay, next. So next, what was it? It was... The next thing is getting the camera to change the right way. So... we want to detect when like a player first enters the game versus like when a player like when a player's character first respawns or spawns in, and then when a player's character... I'm very bad at explaining this. My brain is like so fried. A player's character will respawn multiple times within a game, but we want to detect when the player first spawns in. That's what I wanted to say. So let's see. I didn't have to add anything to this. Right. So there's the... I was looking to disable this. So we can also disable the terminal UI, actually. So what I'm going to do is... enable menu UI place to disable any other UI. Since we are bringing up the menu. And then here's where I will set that to false. I need to document now, like all of this stuff. So that's perfect. Okay, so that should disable then the... Okay, that brought that up. So now when I reset, it should make it invisible. Yes. Oh, we're almost there. And I can immediately deploy again. And there it is. It's enabled again. And then I can reset. So now the camera is messed up, right? It's taking me back to the main menu camera. It's taking me back to this display here, but not to the right. If I then press play game here, it will take me to the right screen. This is the one that I want it to initially do. The way I'm trying to program it is I'm trying to program it to only go to this main menu whenever you first enter the game. Any other time that you get killed and you respawn, you're gonna be taken to this screen here. If I reset my character here, it will leave the GUI up, but it will, yeah, it will do that. Another thing is, let's see, if I click, I want to test some other weird like shenanigans. So if I reset my character right here, what if I click alpha now? Okay, it will just move my player, so that's fine. That's actually good. Okay, that's actually good. But it will make sure to have this stuff pop back up. Dang, the order of operations there is perfect. Okay, so next, properly changing the camera. So I'd already started some code for this. That will be here. So I wanted a perfect. So this is how, let's see. Yeah, that's how I want it to change the camera on first spawn, I guess. Like I want it to go to that that pelican camera, the one with the ship in front. But any other time after that, let's see. So here's another thing. So character first added. I was having a problem earlier with this script because I had my references wrong. What if I did character first added? Hold on. Now let's see if this still works. I tried to program it so that it would only... Sure, alpha, and then... Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. So it didn't change. Okay, it didn't, the camera didn't go back. All right. So that actually works out perfectly. Because that means that remote that I had created. Oh my gosh, that means it's programmed correctly. That never happens on the first try. Holy crud. Okay. So this initiate, I must have, what did I do? Remotes, where's that used? Character first added. I swear it was used somewhere else. It has to be, hold on. The okay, I don't need that. So it fires the client for character added. I never created I never had it connect and fire for the character first added remote. So that's, why is that? Oh, character first added. Is it possible that... Oh, maybe it's possible that the way that the game is set up, it sets it up as if that camera's the default one. Yeah. Yes, I see. But why? Okay, so how is that possible? How is that doing that? How does it know to go to this one first? I didn't program the camera stuff. That was actually a friend of mine that I was working with at the time. They programmed it so that it goes to this camera first. I get it. I get it though. I may not even need that a new camera. How is it referenced? Hmm. Does it do stuff with the cameras here? I think it does. Is it a server thing? Hmm. Okay. Not that. Not that. Client character? I didn't see this. Hold up. Player scripts starter. Where's this? Oh, it's the disabled one. Okay. Is it enabled programmatically? No. Wait, it says it's. Hmm. No, that's fine. That's fine. I think it's still disabled. So not this one. I remember that being the problem, actually. I remember that being the difficulty I had with these cameras. I could switch them, but I couldn't make them a default. Is that an Adonis loader thing? No. Maybe. I'd be... I don't even... I need to understand the Adonis loader a little bit better. You know what then? You know what? I don't even think I then need to add like a player first kind of listener. I'm not even using it, I guess. So what I could do, I might disable it. Can I disable it? Is that even possible? Let me just document it. Emote for when a here's character is first added to the game. Not used. Moment. May remove. Oh, plane. Ah. Here's what I'll do. Changes the camera. Let's do change to menu camera, and then we'll call this one change to deploy camera. Two. Changes the camera to the one used in the deploy screen. All right. This should just keep the current functionality so far. Okay. And this will okay. So this will take me back to that camera. So now I have a function. I've set it up now that I can have it go to the other camera. So what do we do? I based this code off of some other code stuff. Let's see if it works. Target. I don't even think do I use target? What's this coordinate frame stuff? Let's just experiment. Let's just see. I need to go back and look at the code that's actually changing it to that. To that. Okay. Reset. Come on, baby. It just worked. Holy crud. It just worked. Hold up. Guys, it freaking worked. Holy crud. Okay, let's go. So now you don't have to go to the main menu every single time you respawn. Okay. So what if I start a raid? Will this break functionality? When we respawn, do we just go to the deploy screen? We do. We do! I could even make an announcement maybe, but that's perfect. No, the functionality is literally perfect. It only goes to the menu the first time. I didn't even need that remote. I didn't even know why. Wow. The person who programmed this who programmed the camera for me, like, thank you. You guys made it work. That's crazy. Okay, I'm just, you know what, in that case, I'm going to remove that. And then I'm also going to I'll just make a note. So camera let's see. First, let's see. I don't know, the game is configured so that the camera that's first used is the menu camera. It's used, let's see. On first spawn is the menu camera. Need to investigate further how this works. Can be overwritten after yeah, something like that. Okay. So even when, like, I don't know, for some reason, like this doesn't connect. It doesn't change it to the deploy camera when it first goes. I wonder why. Anyways, I need to double check the code real quick. So when we press the back button, that's what it is. When we press the back button, we just say, oh, spawn camera part is this. But what if we hit the... Oh, here it is. I think this is where it is. Camera. No, this is not where it is. When I go to the deploy screen, where is that? let's see. I don't get this target thing though. Let me find this. Menu key. That's where I'm at right now. Okay, there's a spawn camera part. And there's a menu camera. Let's see. If menu equals GUI.deploy, then right, okay. Oh, this might be why. It just... Oh, this might be why. Maybe. I don't know. Just out of curiosity, what if I did this? And then I played. Because maybe this is overriding the camera angle. Yeah. Okay, this is why. I get it. I guess that's a cool or good thing. Let me see. Initially. That. I feel like there's a chance that so do I even need this? Target. What is even the coordinate frame for? What is the target? Camera subject. I don't think I need this camera. I don't think I need this stuff. Why not make it the spawn camera? I don't think I need this target stuff. I don't think I need this coordinate frame stuff. What does it do with this? Does it even need a camera subject? Can I just... I mean, it looks close enough. What if I just copy this? What is it doing? I mean, okay, it's setting the camera type to scriptable, setting the coordinate frame to be the target, but that's the menu camera, not the spawn camera. What is the... spawn camera have anything to do with this? So just out of curiosity, let's do. Okay. I don't think it needs a camera subject, but we'll see. I don't think I may not even really need to deal with the subject stuff or the coordinate frame stuff. Let's try it though. Why not? We'll try it with and without, and if it doesn't make a difference, then we'll leave it out. Okay, it worked. It worked. Okay, let's get rid of that coordinate frame stuff and whatever it's doing. I don't know why it does it. Maybe it needs it. I don't know. We'll comment it out. But it didn't seem to need it. Okay. Let's see if the camera needs it. I mean, I guess it doesn't. Okay. And we'll do start. That should start the raid, and then it should take me straight to the deploy screen. Okay. Ah, did I break him? Oh, yeah. I'm not... That's funny, actually. Hold up. That's actually hilarious. Do I gotta stand where I think it was before? Oh, that's funny. Moving them is weird. Moving them causes some weird behavior. Okay. Alright, let's freaking go! I got it to do what I want. Let's see. Not necessary for... Wait, what if I did this? Because this isn't doing that. I just realized. Is it because it really is going back to the menu, but it's happening so fast? Oh, that's funny. Otherwise, the camera just stays there. Hello. That's funny. Okay. So I don't need it to, so I don't need to switch its C-frame for some reason when I change to the menu camera. Why is that? So let's have it switch to that. So now when I reset, it will take me back to the menu angle. Yeah, it does. Yeah, I think it's just programmed to do that every single time I respawn for some reason. I think maybe every time I respawn, does my player GUI get reset? No, it doesn't. No, it shouldn't. I'll make a note of that though. I guess I feel like that has something to do with the menu operation. Like, oh, I thought I wrote a comment here, but it didn't do anything. Oh, for the loadout stuff. I did. So it's borrowing stuff from... Oh yeah, because the loadout. Okay, so... Okay. I mean, this will still work. Play game. Something about that main camera, though. Oh, I also got to get rid of that stuff. I got to disable everything. That's right. That's right. Hold on. I think that's here, right? No, I would put this all as false. Right? I think that's what I would do. False. So that way when I respawn, I shouldn't have that GUI up. Shouldn't have like the toolbar visible, right? This makes sense. Okay, now I can see chat and other things. Reset. Chat should disappear, and so should the toolbar. Yes. Yes. This is perfect. Okay, so that gameplay loop is like so much cleaner now. We don't have to go to the menu every single time we respawn. It will just ask us to redeploy and change loadouts too, which works. Civilians will be weird. I wonder if there should be like a deploy button, or like maybe I should have it just be selected instead of like, or we can add an option for like just non-affiliated or just a normal deploy button, and it will just determine based on your team where you spawn. Actually, shoot, that's kind of like something I need to consider. Okay, I would say this part's done. Can I commit all this? Let's see. Compare. Yep, that's fine. Compare. This was enable what? Oh, okay, this was the new code. I imagine there could be some bug with that later, though. What if that part of the menu operation doesn't even get called, though? And why does... And let's see. And why does that menu camera script, why does it only work on the non-first ones? Oh, I think I know why. Wait. Do the GUIs get loaded after the characters added? ROBLOX does character load before GUIs? Oh man, okay, hold on. I suspect that GUIs load after the character is added. It's called player GUIs? What is that property? It is... Player GUI is loaded. Player GUI is loaded after the characters added. Something like that. Only on the first spawn. I wish there was like a load order. Interesting. Okay. Well, that could cause some potential things. So like, if somebody's computer is slower, like I feel like there could be a potential behavior where someone will see the flicker of the screen before it goes to so suppose like when I first play, it may so it may, unbeknownst to, you know, what, just from what I can't see, or no, maybe it just doesn't even run first. I don't know. Actually, do I get that? Does that run actually? Let me see. I should kind of understand that behavior. Let me warn. I actually do want to warn this now, since it's okay. Camera code ran on respawn. Yeah, I think the GUI loads after the event fires, and then it changes it's programmed to change the menu. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's totally it. Game, let's see. That is definitely it. That's definitely it. The GUI, let's see. Player GUI. The GUI. To enable the menu. Menu GUI is programmed to enable the menu camera when it initializes. It seems the player GUI is loaded after the character is added. Seems the player GUI is loaded after the character is added. And the event fires. To the menu camera. Let's see. Since the menu GUI does not reset on respawn, we can program something like that. Seems the player GUI is loaded after the character is already added. It's loaded after the character is already added. Since the menu GUI does not reset on respawn, we can program the camera to change. So we can program the camera to change on. Something like this. That's so tricky, but like it works. Compare. That's fine. That's probably the same. Oh yeah, we want that. Does this do anything similar? Not exactly. Ooh. Camera. Okay, I think that's good. Can I commit all of this? I don't know what I'm looking at, honestly. Modified. I don't know how to spell because I'm a freaking programmer. Menu to modify menu to return to blues. Okay. Done. Let's go. Can I publish this now? Okay, cool. That published. It's fine. I should probably save it as a file too. Save. Sure, download a copy. Let's go to, let's see. Where do I keep this stuff? Yep. Halo system. Server client testing. What's today? Cool. We'll save that as a backup. Let's see. Now let's try it in the actual game. I think that should work, so. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, I want another latte already. Guys, it's already been almost 2 hours. I cannot. Okay, so next thing I want to do is make it so that it's configured for like a group. Basically make it so that it's possible that people when they spawn are associated with a group and that they can switch teams. I have not added the logic to be able to switch the teams yet. or anything. So that'll be interesting. I hope it should be easy. Fortunately, it's as simple as like, oh, when a player spawns, check what groups they're in, and like based on that group, add them to the team that they're allowed to be on, and then let's go. Here, I'll switch the screen. Hold on. This, off. Right, so this is the menu. So if I were to add this to a game, everything takes a second to load, man. It's actually, so here's the thing, right? Is I want people to be able to change their team and then be able to do go through the progress that they want to go through. So then in fact, it may even be a good thing to detect when there's a raid going on. Maybe have like something in the server that like says when a raid is happening. There probably is, actually. There's probably a property of some kind. But then maybe you'd only want to you wouldn't be able to change your team within 10 minutes, only when there's a raid going on. But we should probably just have the timer there in general. Cool. Oh, my sensitivity. Why is my sensitivity so high? What is... Oh, it's because of my controller. It's tied to the controller too, actually. Dang, that's kind of terrible. This is fine. 1 is fine. This is normal. My frame rate actually suffering though. So now if I die, this should disappear, the chat should disappear, and so should these. And the camera will also be so far away that you won't see me spawn. I can actually control it, but I think the map is going to be like so much bigger than that. And I wonder if there's a way that I can disable like fog locally so that it doesn't look dumb. But no, that's perfect. I can go like, oh, start. And then it will respawn us, and this is the freaking screen it takes us to. BR. Let's do one with an M90. And let's do one with oh, there's different BRs, okay. Didn't know that. Let's give this a different pistol, I guess. There's a couple of different options, which is kind of cool. Oh, is a SMG considered a... Did I consider the SMG a... That's kind of messed up, but okay. There's even more weapons, too, from what I remember. Those were just the basic ones. I think, it's programmed to dynamically like modify the icons based on like what item is there. So actually, if I go ahead and play the game, it will spawn me with this stuff. Oh, is this the... This is the broken one. I'm stupid. This is the fully automatic infinite ammo one. That's dumb. I do really like this system. It's very interesting. Someone said that they don't like it. But Yeah, but they also confused it for like another system just because it has the same icons as another system. No, I mean like it's it's got these roleplay elements in there. So also it started to load me with like this outfit. I wonder why that is. I wonder if something's just started working. Because I don't remember it doing that before. Oh yeah, wait, there's a raid, right? Okay, this stuff works, which is good. What if I... me ban. Let's do like a me. Oh, okay, that doesn't count as a player. I could bring my alt in here. I used the alt at one point to do like a ton of testing. Also, I could modify this UI at the top here to okay, what if I reset? Does it should just become invisible. It should just become disabled. I shouldn't be able to go to Charlie or Alpha, but I should be able to go to Bravo now. Yeah, okay, all of that comes back. Although my weapons did not come back. What? Huh? Huh? Wait. They didn't come back. What happened? Wait, what happened? Is that a bug? Oh. But what is all this stuff over here? What? What is this? What is that stuff? Team me. Okay. Oh. Oh, maybe there is a I wonder if there's a permission setting or system where it will not deploy weapons for other teams except for the UNSC. Let me see. I think that's the case, actually. I think that's actually the case. In which case, I'll need to find that logic. Oh, I know why. Okay, Covenant gave me... Okay, wait. If I go back... I'm on the Covenant team. Oh, I think the weapons have like some kind of permission on them. So it only gave me this, and I think... yeah, I think I remember this. There's a permission check for deploying weapons. That's kind of insane. Oh, that's so much security. Also, I'm not able to sprint, and I don't know why. Is that another permission? Is it like you're just not allowed to sprint on other teams? Let me see. Why would that be the case, though? Why would that be the case? Also, why is stuff just moving over there? What is up with that? I think something about sprinting broke. Ugh, and I'm gonna have to troubleshoot that. Why? Oh, some animation broke, that's why. I can't even, like... I think that had something to do with... Wait. Is the thing, like... Yeah, some kind of animation broke, I think. I wonder if it had something to do with creating that clone. Oh, yeah. It did. It had something to do with the clone. Wow, that's actually interesting. Okay, so if you have like a duplicate of yourself somewhere on the... That makes sense, actually, because there's like tons of stuff, like tons of things referencing your player. So, like, if you have a clone, just like, okay, that's interesting. That's not a normal use case. That's just a way to break the game for yourself. Not even for everyone else. Literally just for yourself. This game is look, it's unexploitable. You can't even, like, something will break if you try to exploit it, but it will only break for you. Okay. Let me try changing teams then. Maybe that was why. Team me cov. Oop. Okay. Reset. Bravo or Charlie or wherever. Okay, I can sprint again, but I also don't have any weapons. So yeah, and I think that's due to the permission thing. Stop. I think what also broke though was the or was it end? Oh yeah, it's end. Oh, never mind. It did not break this thing. That maybe it broke the announcements, but does it not respawn us? I guess it doesn't. Yeah, I think you like have to get permissions for like that weapon. So, awesome. It doesn't seem to be breaking after many uses of it, which is kind of good. And the best part is like it doesn't need to wait for the like the animation to pop up, which is actually really nice. It's cool. You can go back to the main menu when you respawn. It's like... Thing is like you can't change like your loadout or your weapons while you're currently deployed, so... It's kind of like a balance mechanic, I guess, where you have to use what you chose in that instance. Maybe there's a way to grab like more weapons like some other time, like somewhere in the map, I guess. That wouldn't even be that hard to like, but you have at least a base set. So the idea is also that I think you get more weapon options as you... Oh, that's right. Okay, yeah, so I'm on Covenant. So yeah, this is... Okay, no, that makes sense. So that way you can... It's by group. Okay, it was programmed by group, so you can only have weapons like that you have access to. No, that makes sense. That makes, wow, we programmed a freaking lot of this. I don't even remember that. Oh, that's awkward. So, what is with my character being destroyed? Only thing I can think of that might ruin something is this, where I'm on this screen and I reset, and yeah, it will take us to this screen. So like if you get killed while you are currently spawned in, like, or if you are suppose you're like, okay, so like say you're like changing your loadout and stuff, right? And it's like someone kills you like while you're resetting your loadout. Okay, actually this is not a good, hold on. Go, let me press back. That'll take us to this screen, right? If we're like changing like our team or we're like changing the loadout and we get killed, there's not really a way to detect like which screen you're on. It's just gonna change to this no matter what. It doesn't affect like menu operation other than like now you can just see the points. That's kind of a bug that it's not necessary to fix right now. Should have like a bug list, but I mean it does fix it when you press this back button. You so okay. Okay. And we're thinking at some point to maybe add equipment later, but oh, let's go. Okay. I don't think I need this open anymore, so that's good. All right. Next thing. Oh, what is next? I guess right, the group mechanics. So I think that will be a local script. Yeah. I don't think that stuff, does that stuff get handled in the server? Any sort of team change thing, I remember, I think you can't program that to be local. Like you have to send some kind of request to change teams so that the server knows and then every player knows. There's kind of like a, I think there is like a normalized or standardized way to do it. So if I go to, let's see. Do I have a team? Change team. Yeah, team. Tabs. Team. Okay, here we go. Is this it? Is this it? So reason. Oh, have there been messages have there been messages sent in the chat if like the team change was successful or not? I think that's where I think that team script, let's see. I think that team script is where I would do it. So if I said Covenant, nothing happened. UNSC. No. Okay. So perhaps maybe this isn't being used? How is it being used? If it is. Team. Oh. Team options. I think this is where it would be handled. Event new T option dot name button dot mouse click. Was it supposed to be printing something? I think it was. So if we go into here, options. I think I'll have to do some investigating offline for this. Let's do that. I'll do a little bit of snooping around so that I can make some more progress on this particular part in another stream or just offline. And then we can get to some other cool stuff. So, pretty short stream today. Plus I need to recharge and I also have to go. But dang. I can't believe I actually freaking managed to do that. Okay, I did it. I did the thing that I wanted to program. So I learned a lot. I want to keep working on this and programming in it, and then that'll be sweet. I hope I can kind of build the game pretty soon. At least a rudimentary version. Then we'll give people an excuse to want to come on and maybe even help out. So that's the goal. Oh, I thought this was the just chatting screen. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, this is it. Scuff. Well, if you guys are lurking, thank you. If you guys like this content, then give me a follow. I'd really appreciate it. I also make music. You can check out my SoundCloud at /Rifmatic. And if you want to interact with me, I have a Twitter, which is @Rifmatic, but you can get to know me more personally on my Discord. So in the chat, you can type !Discord and it will give you a link to that. And you can learn more about this project and just learn more about me and my friends. So yeah. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Peace.